Welcome to English Through Ideas. In this series, we learn language by exploring powerful concepts that you can use in your everyday life. Think about a time you made a mistake. Maybe you said the wrong word in a meeting, or you answered a question incorrectly in class. Remember that sinking, embarrassing feeling in your stomach? When that happens, our natural human instinct is to apologize, hide, or even give up completely. But what if that uncomfortable feeling is exactly what you need? What if our fear of making mistakes is the only thing actually stopping our growth? Meet Demis Hassabis. He is a chess master, a successful creator, and the boss of Google DeepMind, one of the top artificial intelligence labs in the world. His work recently earned him the highest honor a scientist can receive, a Nobel Prize. He builds the most complex, advanced computers on Earth. Yet his personal secret to success is incredibly human and surprisingly simple. To see exactly how that secret works, we first have to look at how he learned to think. Long before he became a top AI scientist, Hassabis spent his youth programming video games on early computers like this Sinclair ZX Spectrum. He also loved playing ancient, highly complex board games like Go. Through all of this playing, he developed a unique philosophy. He realized that games are wonderful because they create a safe space to make difficult decisions. Think about how you feel when you play a game. When you lose, you do not cry or run away. You just press restart and try again. You naturally ask yourself why you lost. You realize you went left instead of right, and you use that information to adjust your next move. In a game, losing is never a bad thing. Losing is the exact mechanism we use to learn the rules of winning. That gamer mindset is exactly how artificial intelligence actually learns. This animation shows how an AI learns to solve a maze. Many people think AI is born smart, but it actually starts out completely empty. It tries a path, hits a wall, and fails immediately. The machine does not feel embarrassed. It simply runs a process of trial and error. It makes a tiny adjustment, tries a different path, fails again, and resets. With every failure, the AI is looking for patterns in what works and what does not. Over thousands of attempts, those failed paths reveal the correct route. The smartest machines in the world only become smart by doing what humans do, making lots of mistakes and learning from them. Hassabis applies this exact same logic to his scientific research. He has a strict rule for his team. If you ask a good question, there is literally no such thing as failure. This diagram shows how he simplifies big problems. When you test an idea and it fails, you immediately cut your options in half. You now know exactly where to look next. By doing this, you have not failed. You have successfully learned what not to do. When you view every mistake as valuable new data, failure becomes impossible. You are always moving forward. You can apply this scientific mindset directly to your own life, especially when learning English. You might be struggling to communicate better at work, or trying to form deeper relationships in a new language. Stop expecting to be perfect on your first try. Let go of the need to have a flawless conversation every single time. When you say the wrong word, or when a conversation feels awkward, you are just gathering data. You are testing a path in the maze. By finding patterns in those awkward moments, you are actually building a roadmap for your future conversations. Every mistake makes the correct path clearer. So do not fear mistakes. Use them. Thank you for watching English Through Ideas. If you want to keep growing with us, make sure to subscribe. Remember, in the game of learning, the only real failure is when you stop trying.